Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can track your Cash App Cash Card, so let's get right into it. Now, the only scenario in which you can track your Cash Card is once you've gotten it approved and once it's been shipped to you, and you can track it to see whether it's been shipped or not. You can't really see the specific location of it, but you can see what its current status is and track it and make an estimate of when it's gonna arrive. Now, I'll be using this WikiHow article because I don't have Cash App in my region, so I can't access the app or the website. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're eligible, the application will be approved immediately, pretty much, and your Cash App card will arrive within 14 business days once it's shipped, and it should be shipped relatively immediately. And as I mentioned, you can check the status within the app. Now, your card, as I mentioned, should arrive within 14 business days, so that means excluding weekends and holidays, so keep that in mind, and it should be shipped pretty much immediately. You won't have to wait long, so that's a very big plus. And of course, you'll be approved if your Cash App account is in good standing and you're at least 18 years old or older, or 13 plus with your parents' approval. Then to track the card, just go into your app, tap on the card icon in the bottom left, and you'll see if it says card shipped. Then you'll know you'll be getting it within 14 business days or less. And if your card never arrived, just go to your profile options and go into support and tap Cash Card, issues with Cash Card, haven't received it, and report card now. And then you can also activate your card by going into your app, clicking on the card icon, and then going into activate. And then you'll need to position the QR code on the card to activate it with the scanner, and that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you'll have your debit card from Cash App, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.